You need to hear this if you're a ship owner aiming for sustainability. Let's talk eco-friendly underwater repairs. First up, minimize chemical use. Opt for environmentally friendly cleaning agents and repair materials. Not only are these better for the ocean, but they're also safer for your crew. Next, implement waste management. Properly dispose of or recycle waste materials, such as old coatings and debris. This helps keep our waters clean and pristine. Energy-efficient equipment is a game changer. Use energy-efficient tools and technologies to reduce the carbon footprint of your repair operations. It's a win-win for the planet and your bottom line. Conduct regular maintenance to minimize the need for extensive repairs. Less wear and tear means less environmental impact. Finally, adopt green certifications. Choose repair services that adhere to green certifications and sustainability standards. It shows your commitment to protecting our oceans. Going green underwater has never been easier. Ready to make waves in sustainability? Let's sail towards a greener future together.